Let me tell you a personal story. So we've got 3 vehicles in our driveway, and they're all paid for, and they're all a little older now, and definitely been like, these prices for buying something new are a little hard to stomach, especially having grown up in the car business. Like paying over a sticker for something, that's tough for me. Even paying sticker for something's tough for me. But the maintenance on these vehicles is getting to be more and more and more. So the average repair order that we see in the FRIKIntech systems is spending $571 to get their car maintained or repaired. I mean, shoot, I just got my car back from the shop yesterday, and it was nearly a $300 bill for some really simple stuff. So even inflation on service pricing seems to be going up as well. And it does make one think, how much more am I going to put into this car? As the miles tick up and tick up and tick up, what am I going to do? And it's 100% equity to me. And that's the same for so many customers utilizing our tool. They're playing with a $0 payoff. So there's tons of equity. In fact, the average equity is almost 10 grand. It's like $9,934 if you want to be exact. So every time those of us who have paid off cars would like to get something new, and we're going into that service drive and spending $571 on average a pop, how many more times are we going to do that before we sit back and say, okay, well, you know what, I think I will go buy that new car, and I'll use all my equity to lower that payment so that it's a lot easier to swallow. I'm thinking about it.